Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about making sounds using musical instruments. What should we do so that instruments will make a sound? Remember, each musical instrument is a source of sound. We either shake, blow, pluck, or hit the musical instruments in order to make sounds. Let's explain in more detail each action that we do to certain musical instruments so that they make sounds. Blow! In some wind instruments like horns, trumpets, flutes, or saxophones, sound is produced by blowing in a reed or into a hole at an edge, and others require buzzing through a metal mouthpiece. Here are some musical instruments that produce sound by blowing. Hit! In percussion instruments like drums, cymbals, triangles, or tambourines, sound is produced by hitting or striking by a beater or by hand. These are some instruments that produce sound by hitting. Pluck. Pluck means to cause the strings on a stringed instrument to vibrate by picking or pulling them with fingers or a pick. Musical instruments create sounds by making something vibrate. For example, guitars make sounds when their strings vibrate. Here are some instruments that produce sound by plucking. Shake. Shake is a rapid back and forth movement of percussion instruments to produce a sound. Maracas, tambourines, and chak-chak are few instruments that produce sound by shaking. Let's read and spell. Pluck. P-L-U-C-K. Pluck. Hit. H-I-T. Hit. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Shake. S-H-A-K-E. Shake. Now that you know how musical instruments make sounds, it's your turn to identify them in the following picture. Let's do this! Pluck. Hit. Blow. Pluck. Shake. Hit. Blow. Let's read the words. Blow. Hit. Pluck. Shake. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next episode.